Today we're going to talk about end-user re-imaging from the new end-user console within Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.3. This is a premium feature which allows administrators to specify specific images which users can assign to their desktops and delegate those re-image tasks to users directly from the console. We can configure this feature from the Hostpool Properties menu and the new User Self-Service Portal menu, which exists at the bottom. Within this console we have standard features, start, restart and stop, and our new premium features, end user restore and re-image, which we're discussing in this video. From the re-image menu we can select multiple images which we can make available to our end users. In this example, Windows 10 and Windows 11 have been made available. Then, from the new end user console, the user can choose to re-image their desktop, choosing one of the available images that we selected within the console. We enforce a confirm dialog to ensure users don't accidentally restore their desktops or re-image their desktops, and then they simply need to click OK. The re-image process will take some time to complete, but once complete they will have a freshly imaged machine at their desired image level. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you again in future.